Different uses of in, on, and at. A preposition is a word that tells you where or when something is in relation to something else. It links nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. So, knowing the correct use of prepositions is very important. Here, I have selected three prepositions: in, on, and at, as they are very confusing. In means surrounded by or encircled by, so it refers to position within large areas or in spaces that surround on all sides. Examples: I am in my room. I am in India. I am in the pond. The file is in the disk. In is used to denote a moment enclosed in time. Example: the flowers will bloom in spring. In is used with the names of countries, states, cities, towns, etc. Example: there are many cows in Mumbai. On is used to talk about a situation when the object is placed above or outside something. Examples: I am on a chair. The keys are on the table. The book is on the table. I have a tattoo on my arm. On is used with days and dates. I'll see you on Sunday. It happened on 1st April. On is used with street names. I am on Park Street. At describes exact location or time, but does not describe the person or thing actually being inside of the structure or place. Examples: I am at home. I am at the airport. I am at work. I will meet you at 7 a.m. I'll meet you at Taj Hotel. It's very cold at the bottom of the sea. Many more important lessons on grammar will be coming up soon. So please do subscribe, like, comment, and share.